Precautions for urea. 1. The feeding of urea should be tested in a small amount first, and then the amount shall be increased. Urea shall be fed continuously, because both cattle body and rumen microorganisms have an adaptation process to urea. 2. Urea cannot be fed directly. The daily feeding amount cannot be fed at one time. Instead, it should be fed in several times. The quantitative urea should be dissolved in water in 2 to 3 times, and then mixed into the concentrate to feed the cattle. Do not drink water immediately after urea feeding. Because the rumen of calves is not fully developed and there is a lack of microorganisms in the rumen, so urea cannot be fed to the calves. 3. The feeding amount of urea and the optimal feeding amount of urea are 0.1 to 0.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. If the amount exceeds 0.4 grams per kilogram of body weight, cattle can be poisoned. When the urea content exceeds 0.3% of the diet, the palatability of the feed decreases, and cattle feed intake is reduced, which in turn affects weight gain and lactation. 4. Urea cannot be eaten on an empty stomach. Do not feed it when the overall protein content in the diet is greater than 13%. Urea is usually fed to cattle when the nitrogen or protein content in the diet is relatively low. Follow us if it helps, and thank you for watching.